I'm currently based at home in my hometown of Buxton, which is in Derbyshire in the Peak District. Our group from the National Centre in Loughborough with British Swimming, we're being sent like a weekly plan by our coach, and that includes like a lot of cardio, a few weight sessions where we managed to get some like equipment before this all happened from the EIS. The bodyweight circuits we do on like a conference call, so like everyone in our group, we can all do it together, which is really fun. We do them like twice a week. And yeah, so I'd say I'm still technically doing like 10 sessions a week like I would at Loughborough, but because I swim, and swimming we can't really replicate unless like we get like a massive paddling pool or something, or I go and decide to swim in like the reservoir in Buxton, which I'm definitely not going to do. Yeah, we're just like trying to get land fitness as best as possible, so then the transition when we go back into the pool is as smooth as possible. But I think you just got to take it in your stride really, and just know that everyone's going through the same thing. You've kind of got to stay in a good sleeping pattern, so I'm not like waking up at 1 and leaving all my training to do till later, and it's kind of really easy because you're on your own times, like you can do it when you want kind of thing. So you have got to be disciplined. Tokyo being delayed a year is a bit annoying, but I've just got to think I've got a year more to prepare. So it's kind of frustrating that I was getting such good momentum and I was basically in the shape of my life going into this trials, but I've just got to think like I've just got another year to build even more momentum now.